Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells that show the highlight. This ensures you affect only the intended area. Once done, inspect whether highlights move when you sort or filter, because that hints at conditional rules versus manual fill. Make sure to check the name box or status bar to confirm selection size. Misselecting can leave highlights behind. If multiple sheets contain the color, pick one sheet at a time so you don't accidentally clear unrelated formatting. Now remove the highlight using the appropriate method. If it's manual, choose Home, Font section, Fill Color and pick No Fill. This clears static background instantly. If it's rule-based, go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules, then locate the rule and either edit or delete it. Use the Applies to box to restrict changes. You'll want to preview the change so you don't remove needed formats. If multiple rules exist, handle one rule at a time for clarity. To finish, perform a final clean. If highlights persist, use Home right arrow clear formats on the selection to strip all formatting quickly. Make sure to check other sheets or workbook-level conditional formatting that may reapply color. If clearing breaks formulas or styles, undo and instead copy the range. Paste special right arrow values to preserve data only. One troubleshooting tip. If color still returns, check Styles and Custom Cell Styles. Remove or modify the offending style to stop automatic rehighlighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.